Hi, I'm Stuart and welcome to SIRENNET Television. The Epsilon Siren has been around for a number of years, and this particular video that you're about to watch is an updated version of a video that I shot many years ago, and instead we're going to use a younger person, not me because I'm old. Chris is the guy in question who we're going to be going over to for an overview. Let's go ahead and check out the Epsilon in the capable hands of Mr. Chris.
Thank you, Stuart, and thank you for joining us on SIRENNET Television for a look at Whelen Engineering's Epsilon Siren amplifier. It's part number EPSL1, and the product is a freestanding siren amplifier with incorporated PA microphone. It is put together in a nice cast aluminum shell, very durable, designed for interior mounting on your vehicle. Included to mount it is a polycarbonate adjustable bail bracket. It will affix onto the Epsilon housing, and there is mounting hardware included to affix this onto the side. And with the bail bracket, you can then affix it onto the vehicle's OEM center console or under the dash. Really anywhere you can find a suitable position, the Epsilon can fit for you. And keep in mind that it is a product where face plates are available to accompany it. So if you're ordering a equipment console through us, an Epsilon's going to go on the vehicle, a faceplate can accompany it to make a nice flush mount for the Epsilon Siren. On the front face, a power control knob allows the system to be activated when needed and shut down when no tones are needed. You have a manual push button to sound an air horn, and a rotary knob in the center, allowing you to make adjustments to the siren tones and the function to go along with the tones. So for example, on the fixture, if it's put up into hands-free position, tying in a trigger wire to your vehicle's horn ringer will allow you to cycle through siren tones with the push of the button on the steering wheel. PA microphone with a standard mic clip on the back, and included with the Epsilon is a microphone clip hanger as well. So mount this inside the vehicle and the PA mic will stay nice and firmly in place. It's a standard push to talk on the side for the mic, and incorporated onto the front of the Epsilon is a volume control knob related to the microphone. On the Epsilon, a 10 amp inline fuse protects the unit. And on the back of the housing, there is a quick connect for the Epsilon's wiring harness input. So the harness input will plug into the back, snapping into place firmly, and the trigger wires here will tie into your vehicle's electrical system, siren speaker, and again, the Epsilon is designed to work with a single 100-watt speaker, and a trigger wire to also tie it into the vehicle's steering wheel ringer. On the back of the Epsilon, there is a scan lock push button, so taking a paper clip or a small screwdriver, pushing this will allow you to program the siren tones in tone 1, 2, and 3. So you can make adjustments. If you don't want to use a standard Wail, Yelp, and piercer, you can pull up the different tones that are available with the Epsilon and make programming adjustments as needed. So a nice feature with this, if you'd like your vehicle to have a mechanical simulation siren, you can program it with the Epsilon using the scan lock button and allot an appropriate tone. And with the Epsilon tied into a wonderful speaker turn down jig, we can give you a demonstration of the tones that I can offer you. Convenientness of manual button for 2 different tones. And by utilizing the scan lock inset push button on the back of the Epsilon, you can actually make adjustments to tone 1, 2, and 3. So when the tone is on and sounding, by activating the scan lock, you can make an adjustment. So as you can see, a bit of variety to pick from when it comes to the siren tones and your preference for your emergency service vehicle. Very well put together, quite compact it is. So again, well suited for interior mounting on your vehicle. It's the Epsilon from Whelen Engineering, available from us here at SIRENNET. I'm Chris, thanks for joining me. Back to you, Stuart.
Well, thanks, Chris. Greatly appreciate that. The Epsilon Siren, available here on SIRENNET. Why don't you go ahead and check it out? I'm Stuart. You've been watching SIRENNET Television. Thanks for watching.